Hi everyone, from today we are going to discuss topic wise important questions. So we are starting with motion in a straight line. Let us start with first question. In this question it is said that a body A is vertically thrown upwards. We have to plot the velocity and time graph and four options are given. In that one is correct and three options are wrong. We have to take the right one. So let us start this one. It is said that this body is thrown upwards and we have to draw velocity time diagram. Let us consider t on x-axis and velocity on y-axis. When this body is moving upwards, its velocity is decreasing as it reaches to the top position because it is moving against the gravitational force. When it reaches the maximum point, its velocity becomes 0. So v is equals to 0 and velocity is decreasing. It means that it starts from this point and velocity is decreasing like this because acceleration is constant and negative. This point is the highest point reached by this ball, that is here. Now after reaching this point, this ball again returns towards the ground and now the g is acting upon that. It means that the acceleration is increasing and time is also increasing, so the graph will be like this. This blue line shows the actual answer, that is option 3 is right answer. Remember, this can be asked in different ways, like from here it shows the freely falling body diagram for velocity and time. That is, if I draw a axis here, this part shows the time and velocity diagram for freely falling body. Now let us move on to next question. In this question, it is said that a person walks along a straight road from his house to market, which is 2.5 kilometers away. Let us consider a person and he is walking towards the market, which is 2.5 kilometers away from his actual place. He walks with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour and instantly he returns with a speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. We have to calculate the average speed of the person during the time interval 0 to 50 minutes. It is given that this distance from house to market is 2.5 kilometers. We know that from house to market the speed of a person is equals to 5 kilometers per hour, which is given in question. Time taken is given by distance covered by the person upon the speed, which is equals to 2.5 upon 5, which is equals to 0.5 hour. If we convert this into meters, it will become 30 minutes. Now in return from market to house, speed of a person is given by v is equals to 7.5. Time taken is equals to t2 is equals to 2.5, that is the distance upon the speed of a person, which is equals to 1 by 3 hour, and if we convert that into minutes it will become 20 minutes. Now we know that total distance covered is once he went to market and he returns back to his home. So the total distance is equals to 2.5 plus 2.5, which is equals to 5 kilometers. If we convert that into meters, it will become 5000 meters. Now total time taken is equals to time taken to reach the market plus time taken to reach his house in return, that is 30 minutes plus 20 minutes is equals to 50 minutes. If you convert this 50 minutes into seconds, it will become 3000. We know that average speed is given by total distance covered upon total time taken, which is equals to 5000 upon 3000. Further, if we cancel out these zeros, the remaining will be 5 upon 3 meters per second, which is your final answer. Remember here, don't confuse this average speed with average velocity. If you substitute these values in average velocity formula, you will be getting another answer, and that option is also will be given in your options to confuse you. So please take care of these terms like average speed, average velocity, instantaneous velocity and different other terms so that you will not be confused in during your examination. Now let us move on to next question. In this question, it is said that a car accelerates from rest. Remember this, when the rest is set, the initial velocity u is equals to 0 with 2 meters per second square on a straight line path and then comes to rest after applying brakes. It means that there is a car and it accelerates with 2 meters per second square and it comes to rest after applying brakes. Now we have to calculate the maximum velocity attained by the car when the total distance traveled by the car is 100 meters in 20 seconds. We know that the maximum velocity is given by v is equals to u plus at. Now you know that u is 0, that is initial velocity is 0 and time is given, that is 20 seconds, and acceleration is given, that is 2. If you substitute in this one directly, you will be getting some wrong answer because it is the acceleration, but here we have to substitute the average acceleration. Now average acceleration is given by displacement formula, that is s is equals to ut plus half at square, in which a stands for average acceleration. We know the displacement, that is 100 meters, and initial velocity is 0, half into a unknown into time is given, that is 20 seconds. So I am making it square as given in expression. Now if you simplify this one, a is equals to 1 by 2 meters per second square. Now if I substitute this into this expression, I will be getting 0, that is initial velocity is 0 and a is 1 by 2, time is 20 seconds. The answer will be 10 meters per second. See, don't confuse here with this accelerates. If you substitute this a value here, then you will be getting some other option as right answer, which is absolutely wrong. Be careful while solving problems in your examination. Thank you for watching the video. Please share with your friends.